Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and a viewer or subscriber sent me this file, and when they contour it 1 inch, even with rounded corners, it comes out with peaks. That's just because that's the only way it can do it. So he wants a 12-inch by 12-inch shape. The secret to me would be to contour to the outside. Now you've got more of a flow. And then of course you would need to go to object, break the contour apart, and then grab it. And instead of making it 14 now, because we contoured it 1 inch, lock your ratio and type in 12. So now you have a 12 by 12. I think he's trying to do the shape I did yesterday, it kind of looks like. But that's one way to do it when you contour one direction and it doesn't look right. Try contouring the other direction. Anyway, hope that helps him a little bit.